Hi. I'm really sick. I think I said that already in the video above this. But now I sound even weirder. I'm stifling my brains out. Because I'm stifling in. I don't know. All I know is it sucks being sick, and I'm not gonna back up because I can see that would have been bad. But you guys would have thought that was funny. Okay, now look at my Cookie Monster. Cookie Monster. Yeah. Okay, so I didn't post the video I said about it, but sorry. I made a video saying that I wasn't gonna make any more I wasn't gonna make any more burping videos, and you guys didn't like that. But what did I say about me not caring if you like that or not? But ooh, go somewhere. Okay. Yeah, you're gonna be like this for a minute, I made I made a halfway agreement that there will be some videos of burping. I'm not gonna completely cut it out, but not all. I made this channel to have like funny but serious videos, like stuff like that. But like I don't know. But there will be burping videos. I promise. I won't take away what you guys love, even though it's not me. You just love me for my burping. I'm gonna go cry. Yeah. Oh, I look horrible. I'm sorry that I sound horrible. I had to go blow my nose again for like the 40 millionth time today. I gotta go. Bye. Wait, let me see if I can do this while I'm sick. Hang on. Ugh. There you go. Love you guys. Bye.